What's going on, everybody? We have here a smart key lockbox. This is pretty cool, especially if you are a realtor, if you are a landlord, or if you are a parent that have kids and you don't want your kids to walk around with their keys. You can have your keys in the lockbox and they could just hit a code and get into the lockbox. A lot of people out there hire dog walkers or pet sitters. They need access to the house, and the way they get access is for you to open up the lockbox. So we pull this down just like that, and there you go. You have a keypad. This is something similar to what you see the realtors and everybody use. When I put it on the charger, it really didn't do anything. So I think you need the batteries in here. Use your screwdriver, take that screw out, make sure you don't lose it, flip that out, put our batteries in. Now we have life. I'm gonna put this back on, put your screw back in. All right, close it, and now it won't come back open now. Now it works, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, now we have the screen recorder on. We have the Thlevel app up. And if you don't know what that looks like, there you go. It's a T with the Wi-Fi symbol. So we're going to go back, move that to the side. Right now, we're going to hit the plus sign, add device. Now it's going to look for the device. It found the device. That easy, you guys, that easy. We're going to click the device. It's being added right now. All right, while that's going, we'll let it go. It just beeped. Now it's successful. All right, so you can call this whatever you want to call it. They call it master bedroom. You could call it Airbnb. You can call it pet sitter. Whatever you want to call it, it's on you. Click done. All right, let it do its thing. All right, so there you go. I'm gonna slide to unlock, and it just came out. All right, so let's say if your kids are home from school or something and they have access to this, that's all they have to do is hit the slide button. Easy. Okay, now we have a temporary code, 2468, 2468. Okay, and then we can save it. Okay, so you have your expiration time. It tells you to put an expiration time. So let's say you have somebody renting out your beach house or something for like 2 weeks, then you can go ahead and put your 2 weeks time. But we are going to just go ahead and just put anything down. All right, save. Connecting 13. All right, Bluetooth successfully connected. Saving this. All right, so that is the temporary code. 2468, 2468. Unlock. And now the person can walk your dog. Nice and easy. If you have people that have access to maybe like your patio, I know some people have some closed in patios where the Amazon driver or whoever delivers your packages can deliver it inside of the patio. All right, you guys, so we could click this arrow right here. Okay, so let's go to management. So there I have me, my wife. Go ahead and put her on here if I want to. I can give her a code. I can hit add. I'm putting so many codes, I better remember this stuff, you guys. All right, done. I'm gonna hit save. All right, so that's it right there. So let's try that. And that's the code for my wife. Okay, so again, you can go ahead, put the name up on here, whoever's renting out your apartment or, you know, the Airbnb stuff, whoever's renting it out, or you could put your child. It could be your child. This is nice, simple, and easy. If you're a realtor, this is awesome because it's just easier for you to unlock or whoever to unlock. If they want to do a viewing, a house viewing, they can just pull this down and do the unlock, and nice and simple. You can give anybody a code, customize it, all of that good stuff. So again, for you to mount it up, you have the holes right there, and they gave you screws and anchors. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.